In this video, I'll show you how to cancel your Grok AI Premium subscription in 2026. If you have subscribed to a paid Grok plan and no longer want to continue, you can review your subscription settings and follow the available cancellation process. First, open Grok AI on your computer and log in to the account that has the active subscription. Once you are logged in, open your profile or account menu and look for the subscription, billing, or plan section. The exact location and wording may vary depending on the current Grok interface and where you purchased your subscription. Open the subscription details and review your current plan. Before canceling, check your renewal date and billing information so you know when your next payment would normally occur. Now look for an option such as Manage Subscription, Cancel Subscription, or a similar account management option. Select the cancellation option and carefully read the information that appears. Grok may show you details about what happens after cancellation, including whether your premium features remain available until the end of your current billing period. If you are sure you want to cancel, continue through the confirmation steps. You may be asked to confirm your decision or select a reason for canceling. Make sure you complete the final confirmation. Simply closing the page or going back may not cancel the subscription. After completing the process, check your subscription page again to confirm that the cancellation has been registered.